Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about aneuploid. In this topic, we are going to discuss about some of the abnormalities or some of the diseases which are caused due to the aneuploidy, that is Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the introduction of aneuploidy, objectives, what is meant by aneuploidy, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome. So first, what is mean by aneuploidy? So aneuploidy means there is a deviation from the normal chromosome number. There is either addition or deletion of a single set or single chromosome from a set of chromosome, that we call it as an aneuploidy. So aneuploidy, it is going to categorized under different types like monosomy, nullisomy, trisomy, tetrasomy. In aneuploidy, there is either addition or deletion of the chromosomes can take place. The aneuploidy cells, they have the abnormal number of chromosomes because each chromosome contain hundreds of genes. In that one, either addition or a loss of single chromosome, so it will disturbs all the phenotypes or it will disturbs the equilibrium in the cells. That's why this aneuploidy, it is basically more lethal one if it causes the deletion, or in some cases if it causes the addition of set of chromosome, because this aneuploidy, it can disturb the normal setup or normal genetic balance of the cells. So due to aneuploidy, the first symptom, or you can say the first syndrome which is going to be caused, so that syndrome we call it as an Down syndrome. So this Down syndrome, if we take a look on that one, so it is one of the chromosomal abnormality due to the extra copy of genetic material. So all of we know that the human beings, they are designated with 46 XX, which can indicate the female, and 46 XY, which can indicate the male character. Okay, but what happens in the Down syndrome? The 21st pair of the chromosome, it get affected. Why it get affected? Due to the addition of extra copy of the genetic material, and due to the addition of a chromosome into the 21st pair of chromosome, it can cause the trisomy. So trisomy means it is 2n plus 1, means there is addition of one set of chromosome. Okay, so this addition, it can be takes place due to the translocation. So under the Down syndrome, if we see the genetic pattern or the chromosome pattern here, so just see here, you are able to see that all the pairs or the homozygous chromosome, they are normal one. Okay, they are bivalent. But here if you observe the 21st number of chromosome, here if you observe, see here, they are the bivalents, but here there is addition of one extra chromosome. It may be XX or it may be XY, but it can causes the trisomy, and which can cause one of the syndrome, that's we call it as a Down syndrome. Then the next syndrome, which is caused due to the aneuploidy, that is Klinefelter syndrome. So see that all of we know that the genes, they are bundled into the chromosome. Every plant species or every animal species, they have their fixed chromosome numbers. Okay, so that's why there is addition or deletion, it will causes the change in the genotype, change in the phenotype characters. So all of we know that the females, they have two X chromosomes, that is X and X, and the males have one X and one Y chromosome. But what happens in the Klinefelter syndrome? There is, even though it is a male one, for example, so it is along with XXY. So there is a presence of one extra X here. Okay, it can represent the male character. So that syndrome we called it as an Klinefelter syndrome. So basically, in the human beings, or in the humans, the sex chromosome, they are going to decide whether the child is a male or a female one. But due to the effect of that Klinefelter syndrome, there is addition of one extra X chromosome which can represent the female character. But even though it is a male one, that is XY, but due to the presence of one of the extra X, so it will gives the genotype like XXY, and this we call it as an Klinefelter syndrome. So this Klinefelter syndrome, uh, it is produced due to the addition of one of the extra X chromosome. So just we take a look on the patterns of the chromosome. Just you see here that all the patterns or all the chromosomes, they are normal, but what happened, the sex chromosome which can determine either it is a male or female, so under that one there is a presence or there is addition of one of the extra X chromosome. So this we call it as an Klinefelter syndrome. Then the next syndrome, which is caused due to the aneuploidy, that is the Turner syndrome. And this Turner syndrome, it is related to the X chromosome, means basically it is related to the female. We know that female, they have two X chromosome, males they have one X and one Y chromosome. So that Turner syndrome, it will result into one of the normal X chromosome which can represent the female. uh, but here the other sex, means we know that there are bivalent chromosome, but here one X chromosome, it is missing one. Just like in earlier syndrome, there is one extra X chromosome, and here the one of the X chromosome, it is going to be missed one, or there is a deletion of that chromosome. So that's why that type of syndrome we call it as an Turner syndrome. That's why due to the missing of that chromosome, whole the genetic material or the phenotypic appearance of the individuals, it get affected one. So about the half of the individuals which are going to carry out that Turner syndrome, or which have that Turner syndrome, they show presence of monosomy, means just like we represent it as an 2n minus 1. So there is one missing of one of the chromosome. So in this individual body, it has only the one copy of X chromosome instead of two X chromosome. Then Turner syndrome, it can also occur if one of the sex chromosome is partially missing, but it is present, but it is not active one. So that at that time we called it as an partially missing one. Then some of the women with Turner syndrome, they have the chromosomal change only in some of the cells. Uh, if the changes can occur only in some of the cells, so at that time we call it as an monocyasium, because one of the cell or some of the cells, they get affected at the particular part. So that's why it is also called as an monozymic syndrome also. So just see here, here you are going to observe the patterns of the chromosome, all are the bivalent one, but here if you observe this pair, so here there is a presence of only one X chromosome, and other X chromosome, it is missing one. So or it is it get deleted, or what, or due to the mutation or whatever the characters or the reasons behind that one. But under the Turner syndrome, the X chromosome, it is missing one, or you can say one of the X chromosome, it get missing one. That's why it can causes the Turner syndrome. and if that Turner syndrome, it will affect a particular type of cells. So at that time we call it as an uh, monoziasm, and that type of syndrome, that's why we call it as an monoziasm type of syndrome. So this is all about the aneuploidy, and due to the aneuploidy, what are the different types of syndromes they are going to carry forward in the next generations. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.